time. We've gone to international shows like in China and places, and they're trying to use stopwatches to get rate of climb.
Oh,
yeah. Trying to see what they can learn.
Yeah. I guess this flight model is not real, or is it?
Actually, the handling qualities is very close.
Okay.
What is not real would be radar ranges and weapon ranges, that sort of thing. But as far as you could probably go sit in the airplane, it would fly very much like this.
Yeah. Okay, so the maximum range is, was it this diamond or this?
Yeah, inside the diamond, and now you'll get a shoot cue when we get within 80%.
Yeah.
It'll say shoot. Good. And then obviously you can use your ring finger to step to his wingman. So good. And then we'll stay down there for your so your camera can see what the.
Yeah.
We'll get you some good film. And splash 1. And splash 2. Good.
Then there were 2 other ones.
Yes, they'll be off your right wing. And there they are on your radar already. Good. Now you have your target box again. They're going to be going from left to right. Oops, lost him.
How did I lose it?
I think your back seater took you out of air mode. Oh, now you've got it back. He's supposed to be working the radar, not the. Looks like that's going to go after his wingman. Yeah, good. Yeah, very nice. There's an airfield right below you. I believe it's Lancaster. If you want to go land, we've probably got time to go do that.
The air brake. What it
Yeah,
is?
speed brake for us. This spring the throttle's all the way back. The speed brake probably doesn't work very well in the sim, but it is on here. It's a very sharp feeling button near the bottom. If you feel, it's very sharp. And then there would be an indicator light here that we don't have yet since we just put this in.
I have an A10 throttle and stick.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, so it's a bit different than this.
Oh, yeah, it would be different. Why do you have an A10? Did you say A10?
A10, yeah. It's like you can buy it. It's made by Thrustmaster. Yeah. I fly this DCS Hornet simulator.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really good. It costs something like $400 or something.
Oh, that's a pretty good.
That's good price. Well, sounds like expensive, but it's very good. It's like full metal construction, very high quality.
And that's well worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to bleed a little bit of speed off. It looks pretty good. I'll let you put the gear down a little. Oh, yeah, we didn't give ourselves much room here.
I think I need to slow down.
Go down one more time.
This alpha should do the trick.
Now we need to add power.
Gear down.
Gear down. Yep. Flaps are right below this. Below the gear. Very sharp there, all the way down. Yeah, that was the power. There you go. Now you can come out of afterburner. Good. And there's your runway off to your right. Yeah. Let's come out of afterburner. There you go. Lots of time left to fix this. Okay. Very nice.
Yeah. So what's the approach speed for?
Probably with this loadout about 140, something like that. Yeah, let's just use this runway.
Yeah. A bit fast. Like the speed.
No, that'll be fine.
Yeah.
Good. No flare now. Push forward on that stick. Yeah, good. Let's just go ahead and do a touch and go since our brakes are not that great here. About 150 to rotate.
Flaps.
There you go. Yeah, and you can go gear and flaps up. Very nice. Good. Well, we got you requalified now. Anyway,
Okay.
so you're all set.
Yeah, thanks.
That's a pretty full day. You can try roll rates and stuff if you like. I mean, again, we're pretty heavy here. So.
But this high alpha stuff is nice. You have seen the Finnish Hornet solo.
Does he do the tail walk?
Yeah.
Yeah, the low speed pass is always pretty cool. We usually see about 34 degrees angle of attack, somewhere like that. So pretty fun.
And I heard that they could do a lot more angle of attack, but it's limited by if one of the engines
Yeah, there's a flight safety issue.
So it's a safety issue.
Yeah, absolutely. Same way with how many G's you can pull. There's a G-limb override as well. So.
Yeah, it's this paddle here.
Yeah, that's correct. So yeah, what are we at? 25 degrees right now?
Yeah. Let's see, what can I get?
Yeah, I was going to say we're going to have to start having just a little bit of speed. But there's 35, that'd be about right. Yeah. 40.
Yeah. Trying high alpha.
That was our high alpha pass.
Let's see if I can recover.
Yeah,
that was a bit low.
Plenty of speed. Oh, yeah, that was right around 500 feet. That's good.
Okay, maybe it's time to land. I don't see the.
Oh, yeah. Just, I think right behind us actually, just do a left hand turn. Try not to get too high.
Losing speed. Yeah, okay, high again. I'll do a 360. Yeah, down. Yeah, down. Try not to stall.
Flare now. Keep that nose down. Good. Yeah, you can try those brakes out for me. Make sure those throttles are back against the stops.
Yeah. Okay, that was nice.